Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Wanderlust. Kumusta naman ang bawat isa? I hope na ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, kindly hit subscribe. Isama nyo na rin ang bell button para you are keep updated and notified sa next nating mga videos. So for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ngayon ng Kai Kong Leng or yung tinatawag na Roaster Ridge. Isa sa ating mga hikingan for today. Ayan. So this is the entrance. Guys, if you are interested to go there, especially yung mga nandito sa Hong Kong, I will just ilagay ko na lang sa description box natin yung direction kung paano pumunta doon. So this is our starting point. Nag-start tayo sa Kiu Tao Village. And then we have to walk up the stairs, paakyat. So kailangan muna nating lagpasan yung Lam Tsuen Country Park. So yan yung aking mga kasama, just the three of us. Since na off namin for 4 days, so we decided na mag-hike muna. Ayan. So actually guys, this Roaster Ridge has maximum of 3.4 kilometers. At saka yung elevation niya is nasa 585. So hindi siya masyadong mataas, pero syempre medyo malayo at very challenging lang yung trail. At saka according sa aking na-search na dire-diretso, it will just take around 3 hours na hike. Pero syempre, kailangan mo namang i-enjoy along the way. So maybe sa amin mga 6 hours or 7 hours. So diba? Anyway guys, we are just doing this para na rin sa pag-relax, pag-unwind daw, diba? So ayan yung trail guys, and the first part medyo shady pa siya. Pero habang paakyat tayo ng paakyat ng bundok, medyo exposed. So it is really required or advisable na magdala ng maraming tubig at saka sunblock at saka kailangan yung hiking shoes mo. Kasi nga medyo steep at saka mabuhangin, mabato yung daanan, kaya medyo challenging. Medyo mahirap kasi nga madulas-dulas ka. Is there even such a thing? Napakaganda ng panahon, so you can see yung mga views overlooking sa Shenzhen, Taimushan, as far as Castle Peak. So makikita natin lahat. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Napakahaba ng hike na ito guys, at saka makikita mo yung daanan mo sa harap mo, kaya parang nakakadagdag ng iisipin na ay mahaba pa pala. So the best thing is that wag kang tumingin sa harap mo, kumbaga just focus one step at a time. Kasi pag tiningnan mo siya, talagang napakahaba, and sometimes you are caught in kung ano yung gagawin mo, na titingin ka sa dadaanan mo or titingin ka sa view. Kasi nga mahirap yung daanan, pero maganda ang view, as in super. So it is highly recommended na hikingan na ito. Actually guys, pwede kayong mag-start ng hike nyo at both ends, kung saan nyo mas comfortable or mas accessible sa inyo. But for us, we started at Kiu Tao Village. Yung iba naman nagsistart sa Yuen Long. So, ilagay ko na lang sa description box yung direction if ever you are planning to go here. Very exposed guys, as in very hot, very sunny, very steep, very windy. So, kailangan paghandaan mo. Pero, very nice naman yung view. It is worth. O diba, yan ang sabi ko sa inyo na makita mo sa harap mo yung dadaanan mo, kaya parang kung minsan nakakapanghina na pagod ka na, pero makikita mo na mahaba pa siya. So maybe I will advise na just look right in front of you. Pag mo nang tingnan kung gaano pa kahaba. And you know guys, sometimes you are in the middle sa pag-hike mo, and then minsan pagod ka na, lalo pa kung mahirap yung daanan, and you want to retreat. Ano ba yung gagawin mo? Ipagpatuloy mo or babalik ka? Kung babalik ka, masyado naman ang mahaba at mahirap na yung napagdaanan mo, or wala kang choice kundi ipagpatuloy mo. So minsan yan yung sometimes parang kalaban natin. But of course, it is very rewarding kahit na medyo pagod at mahirap. Pero for me, it is very napaka-relaxing, napaka-rewarding para sa akin. O diba, hanggang dun sa dulo, nakita nyo yan. So dyan tayo dadaan sa pinakatuktok. So hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras tayo makababa. But you don't realize that I wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're alone. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're alone. I won't think twice when you're... Actually guys, meron akong mga nare-receive minsan na comments sa akin na hindi ka ba napapagod? Bakit gustong-gusto mong mamundok? Pwede ka namang maupo at matulog. O diba? But for me, that is my, ano bang tawag doon? Hilig ko. So kahit napapagod, syempre napapagod naman talaga yung katawang lupa mo, but happy ka naman, o diba? I rather choose na gumala sa bundok kaysa sa mga malls at maupo sa mamahaling restaurant or kumain, gumala sa mall, mag-shopping. I rather spend my time being with nature. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Di ba hindi pa kami nakarating sa kalagitnaan? We still have a long way. Fly away with me. So yan pa guys yung center point, yung aking tinuro. Yan pang pinakagitna. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change you and... So it's around 12:30. So after dyan, hanap tayo ng place na makakain tayo. So that's why as you can see, palagi akong may baon. Lagi akong ready. Laman ng aking bag, baon, first aid kit, extra na damit, o diba? Maraming tubig.
something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
So ito yung last ascent namin guys. Pagkatapos dyan, at last, pababa na rin tayo. Pero very steep yung babaan. Napaka challenging kasi nga mabato siya. So mahirap talaga. Kailangan lang na mag-ingat-ingat. At nakababa tayo around 3 in the afternoon. Umakyat tayo, nag-start tayo ng hike around 9:30 or 10 yata. So ayan guys, pababa na tayo. At last, nakita na yung village. Oh, babaan na. Konting tiis na lang. So ayan yung pababa. Kung dyan kayo umakyat, pwede rin. Kung doon kayo aakyat sa inakyatan namin, of course, kabilaan lang yung babaan naman eh. Akyatan at babaan niya. So ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for patuloy na panunood ng ating mga videos. Isa lang ang lagi kong iniiwanan sa inyo na whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy, because in life, there is no rewind, only flashback. Ayun. So, thank you so much and God bless everyone. See you on the next one. Thank you so much. Wanderlust here.